Fun Time with Pepper.
In this episode of Fun Time with Pepper, Pepper is a farmer with land in Tornado Alley. The tornadoes wreak havoc with her farm until she learns how to tame them. The people of the plains call her the Tornado Rider. Let me tell you a story from long ago, about a young girl farmer. She worked the land hard and made a living for herself. But one sad day, a tornado came over the horizon. The girl ran for her life. Oh no! Fortunately, the girl had a tornado shelter that was deep underground. The tornado took away most of the farm, while the poor girl could only wait for it to pass. After the tornado disappeared into the distance, the girl came out from her shelter and saw the terrible damage that was done to her farm. Nothing was left. It was a sad, sad day indeed. But that didn't keep the young girl down for long. She was working and repairing the farm again, this time with even more determination than before. But, sadly again, another tornado came along.
Yay!
Oh
no! The girl ran for her life again and hid in the shelter.
That is a truly awful tornado.
The tornado did its ugly work and again faded into the distance. The young girl was determined to not let the tornado stop her. She continued to work the land, when again, another tornado came along.
I'm gonna get that tornado and I'm gonna lasso him.
Now some say it was folk magic that she had.
Whoa! Easy does it. Yay!
Whatever it was, she was able to stop that tornado. In fact, people say she even ended up riding the tornado across the plains looking for her lost property. She became known as the Tornado Rider. Along the way, another fierce tornado appeared and demanded that the girl dismount the tornado. The young girl refused and remained mounted. Then you will feel the wrath of the tornadoes.
You're not gonna get us, tornadoes, we're gonna get you.
The tornadoes were shocked at the bravery of the young girl. The girl dispatched the tornadoes with a wave of her wand. She rode the tornado until she located her farmhouse and equipment in a desert valley. She made the tornado put all the things back he had taken. In the end, she kept the tornado in a jar as a reminder that when trouble comes, you can face it head on and win.